Welcome to Dreams TNPC channel. Today we are going to see 10th standard science. In this subject there are 23 lessons is placed. Today we are going to see the first 10 lessons book back questions. That means 1 mark. So the first lesson is laws of motion. First question is inertia of a body depends on options: weight of the object, acceleration due to gravity of the planet, mass of the object, both A and B. The correct answer is C, mass of the object. Inertia of a body depends on a mass of the object. Second question is impulse is equal to options: rate of change of momentum, rate of force under time, change of momentum, rate of change of mass. The answer is A, rate of change of momentum. Impulse is equal to rate of change of momentum. The third one is Newton's third law is applicable. Options: for a body is at rest, for a body in motion. Option C, both A and B. The answer is both A and B. Newton's third law is applicable for a body is at rest, for a body in motion. Plotting a graph for momentum on the x-axis and a time on y-axis, slope of momentum time graph gives force. Next, fifth question. In which of the following sport the turning of the effect of force used? Options: swimming, tennis, cycling, hockey. The answer is option A, swimming. In which of the following sport the turning of effect of force used? Swimming. The unit of gravity is meter second per minus 2. It can be also expressed as options: centimeter second power minus 1, Newton kilogram power minus 1, Newton meter square kilogram minus 1, centimeter square second power minus 2. The answer is option B, Newton kilogram minus 1. The unit of gravity is meter second power minus 2. It can be also expressed as Newton kilogram power minus 1. The seventh question is 1 kilogram force equal to options: 9.8 dyne, 9.8 into 10 power 4 Newton, 98 into 10 power 4 dyne, 980 dyne. Dyne means dynamics. The correct answer is C. 1 kilogram force equal to 98 into 10 power 4 dynamics. Eighth question is the mass of a body is measured on planet Earth as meter kilogram. When it is taken to a planet of a radius of that of the Earth, then its value will be dash kilogram. The options are 4 meter, 2 meter, meter power 4 meter. The answer is D, meter. Ninth question. If the earth shrinks to 50% of its real radius, its mass remaining the same, the weight of a body on the earth will options: decrease by 50%, increase by 50%, decrease by 25%, increase by 300%. So the answer is C, decrease by 25%. The 10th question is to project the rockets, which of the following principles is or required? Options are Newton's third law of motion, Newton's law of gravitation, law of conservation of linear momentum, both A and C. The answer is both A and C. Newton's third law of motion. Next, we are going to see the second lesson, optics. From this lesson, the first to choose is the refractive index of four substances A, B, C and D are 1.31, 1.43, 1.33, 2.4 respectively. The speed of light is maximum in option A, B, C, D. The answer is A. A. Second question. Where should an object be placed so that a real and inverted image of same size is obtained by a convex lens? Options F, 2F, infinity, between F and 2F. The answer is 2F. Next, third question is, a small bulb is placed at the principal focus of a convex lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens will be produced. Option A convergent beam of light, a divergent beam of light, a parallel beam of light, a colored beam of light. The option is C. The correct answer is C, a parallel beam of light. Fourth question is magnification of a convex lens is. Options positive, negative, either positive or negative, 0. So the answer is C, option C, either positive or negative. Fifth question is a convex lens forms a real diminished point size image at focus. Then the position of the object is at options focus, infinity, at 2F, between F and 2F. The answer is B, infinity. Sixth question. Power of a lens is minus 4 dimension. Then its focal length is options 4 meter, minus 40 meter, minus 0.25 meter, minus 2.5 meter. The answer is C, minus 0.25 meter. Seventh question. In a myopic eye, the image of the object is formed. Options behind the retina, on the retina, in front of the retina, on the blind spot. The answer is C, in front of the retina. Eighth question is the eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by options are convex lens, concave lens, convex mirror, bifocal lens. The correct answer is bifocal lenses. The ninth question is, which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in a dictionary? Options a convex lens of focal length 5 cm, a concave lens of a focal length 5 cm, a convex lens of a focal length 10 cm, a concave lens of focal length 10 cm. The answer is option A convex lens of a focal length 5 cm. The 10th question is, if VB, the V is represented to Vibro. So VB, V green, V or red, be the velocity of blue, green and red light respectively in a glass prism, then which of the following statement gives the correct relation? Options V blue equal to V green equal to V red. Option B VB greater than V green greater than V red. Option C V blue less than V green less than V red. Option D V blue less than V green greater than V red. The answer is option C V blue greater than less than V green less than we read. Third lesson, thermal physics. The first question is the value of universal gas constant. Options 3.81 mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Option B 8.03 mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Option C 1.38 mole inverse Kelvin inverse. 8.31 mole inverse Kelvin inverse. The answer is option D 8.31 mole inverse Kelvin inverse. The second question is if a substance is heated or cooled, the change in a mass of that substance is options positive, negative, zero, none of the above. The option C is the correct answer, 0. Third question is if a substance is heated or cooled, the linear expansion occurs along the axis of options A x or minus x, option B y or minus y, option C both A and B, option D A or B. The answer is x or minus x. Temperature is the average of the molecules of a substance. Options difference in Ke and Pe. Sum of Pe and Ke. Difference in Te and Pe. Difference in Ke and Te. The answer is C. Difference in Te and Pe. Fifth question. In the given diagram, the possible direction of a heat energy transformation is options B to A, C to B. Option B, A to B, A to C, B to C. Option C, A to B, C to A, B to C. Option D, B to A to C, C to B. So the correct answer is A. B to A to C, C to B. Next, fourth lesson. Lesson name is electricity. First question. Which of the following is correct? Options. Rate of a change of charge is electrical power. Rate of change of charge is current. Rate of change of energy is current. Rate of change of current is charge. The correct answer is B. Rate of change of charge is current. Second, SI unit of resistance is meter ohm, joule, ohm meter. Answer is C. Ohm. Third question, in a simple circuit, why does the bulb glow when you close the switch? Options, the switch produces electricity. Closing the switch completes the circuit. Closing the switch breaks the circuit. The bulb is getting charged. Answer is B. Closing the switch complete the circuit. Fourth question. Kilowatt hour is the unit of resistivity, conductivity, electrical energy, electrical power. The answer is C. Electrical energy. Next, fifth lesson. Fifth lesson name is acoustics. The first question is when a sound wave travels through air, the air particles. Options vibrate along the direction of the wave motion, vibrate but not in any fixed direction, vibrate perpendicular to the direction of the wave motion, do not vibrate. Answer is A. Vibrate along the direction of the wave motion. Second question is velocity of sound in a gaseous medium is 330 meter second inverse. If the pressure is increased by 4 times without causing change in the temperature, the velocity of sound in the gases Options: 330 meter second inverse, 660 meter second inverse, 156 meter second inverse, 990 meter second inverse. The answer is 330 meter second inverse. Third question is, the frequency which is audible to the human ear is. Options: 50 kilohertz, 20 kilohertz, 15,000 kilohertz, 10,000 kilohertz. The answer is 20 kilohertz. Fourth question is, the velocity of sound in air at a particular temperature is 330 meter second inverse. What will be its value when temperature is doubled and the pressure is halved? Option is 330 meter second inverse, 165 meter second inverse, 330 into root 2 meter second inverse, 320 bar root 2 meter second inverse. Answer is C, 330 into root 2 meter second inverse. Fifth question, if a sound wave travels with a frequency of 1.25 into 10 power 4 hertz at 344 meter second inverse, the wavelength will be 27.52 meter, 275.2 meter, 0.02752 meter, 2.752 meter. The answer is C, 0.02752 meter. The question is, the sound waves are reflected from an obstacle into the same medium from which they were incident. Which of the following changes? Options: speed, frequency, wavelength, none of this. Answer is none of this. Seventh question is, velocity of sound in the atmosphere of a planet is 500 meter second inverse. The minimum distance between the source of sound and the obstacles to hear the echo should be 17 meter, 20 meter, 25 meter, 50 meter. The answer is C, 25 meter. Okay viewers, our class is going to be end because of no space in this video. So in the next video, we are going to see at the next 10 lesson. So don't miss these lessons. One more questions. Use this opportunity, daily revise this and watch this video. Please subscribe this channel Dream TNPC. Thank you so much.